Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Mr. Royston. We got a little surprise for y'all. I'm gonna do the voiceover today of this new house we got right here. All right, let's get right into it. So the first room you guys are gonna see once we walk in is obviously the door. Nice door. Nobody cares about the door, but the door is a real nice door. And then now we're in that living room. I guess living room / dining room, since it's so open, which is what we like. We like that open. But you see the fireplace, and then that barnwood background. I don't even know what that is, but we're about to mount us that 70-inch right there. That's where we're gonna mount the 70-inch. Hopefully I don't break it when I try to mount it. And then walking through the dining room, there's a chandelier right there that we missed, but it's all good. And here goes, this is the best part of the house. To me, just the best part of the house is the backyard. That's Tupac and Time right there. Tupac is the dog. Time is our youngest. That's Tamia, our oldest. Too tall. You can see there's 2 doors that go out to the backyard, but the backyard is huge. You see the kids in the back playing on the hammock. Those 2 trees are super tall. On some tall trees, so it'll get a little bit of shade as the sun rotates around. But going back inside, see Tupac bad self. But yeah, that's the whole room as a whole. It's pretty. It's not as big as it looks. I mean, it looks bigger. It's bigger when you actually walk through it than what it looks like on camera. But this is like the first linen closet. It's in between the 2 kids' rooms. The kids' rooms are set up a little different, like a Jack and Jill, but it's not a Jack and Jill, you know. It might be a Jack and Jill. I don't know. But they got 2 sinks. We go to closet. The girls' room. This is gonna be the girls' room right here. And there goes the front yard. A little bit of the front yard. That tree right there actually got knocked down. A little thunderstorm came through, knocked our tree down in the front yard, but it's all good. And this is what I meant when I said the Jack and Jill bathrooms. You can't like just walk all the way through it like what I'm used to. But that bathroom's real nice. Or to actually be able to use the bathroom, shower and everything, there's a lot of space in there. Like a lot of space. I'm putting a TV in the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? I'm just playing. But now we're going on to my son's side. So the 2 girls share one room, and then my son got a room to himself over here. And every room has a fan in it. And then you can see the kids out there in the backyard on the hammock. Same thing, the rooms are pretty spaced out. The girls' room got an extra little walk-in area, but yep, this is how we rockin'. And that closet actually goes into the crawl space underneath the house. It's real nice up underneath the house too. It ain't nothing to live in, but like if a tornado or something came, we can go down there and be safe. And now we're gonna walk up to, this was like the linen closet, I think. Not even a linen closet, like a coat closet, but we're gonna turn that into a pantry. So I'm actually, when we do like an updated video tour, I mean an updated house tour, you'll see that I put some shelves in there. Did my best. I ain't gonna say it was the best, but I did my best. And this is probably my wife's favorite part of the whole house. This big old kitchen. Fancy little kitchen. There's a lot of drawers. The drawers are real deep, so you can pile up on the drawers. I don't like it personally, but look at that. Look at that right there. You see that chandelier in the back? I don't know how we missed the chandelier. But like I said, the gray and white is like my wife's 2 favorite colors when it comes to setting up the house. So this house is just like perfect for her. Touched her right in the soft spot of her heart. You know what I'm saying? There's like a little area under the sink. Once again, it's a drawer. I thought it was for like a trash can or something, but nope, I was wrong. It just looked good. It's just there to look good. Goes that view. Look at that view back into the best part of the house, the backyard. And you see off to the right, there's like a little extra room. I don't know what you would call that room, but that's going to be a nice little setup room right there. And there goes that second door. Going outside, and then see the house, the backyard wraps around that whole part of the house over there. But yeah. And these washers and dryers actually came with the house. So a nice little space, and here goes the extra bathroom. You gotta walk through the kitchen to get to it, so when we got people over, it's gonna be kind of weird because they gotta walk through it. You might as well walk in the master bedroom. Sure. But that sink in there, actually the water turned a different color. Not the water, but has little lights on the faucets, so it changes different colors and stuff. Like when you turn it on, and when it's hot, it'll be red. When it's cold, it'll be blue. When it's warm, it'll be green. That's another linen closet right there, though. This is where all the magic is gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? Those lights, all the lights in the house, in the main rooms and in the master bedroom, they dim. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be a lot of magic going on in there. We're gonna dim them lights, let that magic happen. I'm just playing. Too much info. I'm sorry. This is the walk-in closet, real big closet. It's gonna be we actually gonna share this closet. We're gonna try to actually share this one. I don't know who got more stuff, her or me, but we got a lot of stuff, so we're gonna try to share that closet. And you see how the ceiling is, and like I said, those lights dim, and then the fan has its own light. And then my favorite thing about this room is the fan has a controller, so I can turn the fan on and off from the bed. You know what I'm saying? But here goes the master bathroom, and you see that bathtub. I don't even know if I'm ever gonna use it, but it looked nice. The bathroom as a whole is real nice. And those lights right there, coming out the mirror, that's different. I like that. That's different. But yeah, this bathroom's real nice. And the same thing in the bathroom showers, like the water. There's like little lights on the shower head, so it tells you like when the water is cold, it'll be blue. When it's green, that means the water's warm. And when the lights are red, it's hot, like burn your back up hot. That'll be it. I guess that's it for the whole house. Stay tuned for the you guys can see what it looks like after we put all our furniture in it, and then yeah, it'll be like a little update. You guys see my shelves I put in. You guys can see whether we're gonna build a patio set or we're gonna have our own patio set. But hope you guys like the new house. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Maybe I'll jump in one, because obviously you guys never seen me get down on the YouTube. But have a good day.